Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening calculator and entering the base number. This is the number you will raise. Once entered, verify digits and sign so you don't power the wrong value. If the base is negative or a compound expression, wrap it in parentheses to preserve order of operations. Make sure you can see the full number on screen because an accidental digit change will change the exponent result. Now prepare to select the exponent method for the next step. Once done entering the base, switch to scientific mode if needed so you can access X, Y, or caret functions. You can rotate your device or use the View menu on Mac OS. Tap the X, Y button and then input the exponent digits, or type caret and exponent on keyboard if you prefer. For simple squares and cubes, the dedicated X2 and X3 keys are quicker and reduce mistakes. Make sure you see the exponent entered before confirming to avoid recalculation. Press equals to compute and inspect the result on screen. You want to confirm magnitude and decimal placement immediately. If something looks off, use clear or backspace to correct digits and repeat the calculation, because a misplaced digit or missing parenthesis is the usual culprit. If you get an error for non-integer exponents on negative bases, switch to a complex-capable tool or change the expression to avoid undefined results. Finally, save or copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.